Hey friends, Joseph here with a new sample footage video for the new Vantrue Mirror Cam 3. It's the first mirror dash cam that we've ever carried here at BlackboxMyCar, so this is a pretty special one. We've partnered with Vantrue to bring you the next iteration of the Vantrue Mirror Cam 2, the Mirror 3, now exclusively available to be pre-ordered from our website, and we'll be shipping it out at the end of November. This is a 3-in-1 channel dash cam designed for the all-around security of your car. If you love what we do, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support us. Starting off with some daytime footage, the Vantrue Mirror Cam 3 is a 2K QHD front and Full HD interior and rear 3-channel dash cam from Vantrue that records at 30 frames per second. You can also switch to 28 frames per second in the settings. The front camera is equipped with a 5.14 megapixel Sony Starvis IMX335 CMOS sensor. It's a mirror cam, so you're looking at a 12-inch IPS anti-glare touchscreen display that also acts as a rearview mirror. It's got the same great features that you'd expect from a dash cam, including parking mode, night vision, and built-in GPS. It doesn't have Wi-Fi though, but you can watch the footage directly on the 12-inch screen or use the SD card in your laptop. Now let's move on to the interior camera. Hey, that's me, looking all serious while I'm driving on the road. This is a 360-degree rotatable interior infrared camera that features the 2-megapixel silicon Optronic JX-F53SA image sensor to capture in-cabin activity even in pitch black environment. This mirror cam does not have voice notifications, so it won't be able to tell you if it's detected any collisions while you're away. But it does have multiple 24-hour parking modes, including motion detection, collision detection, and low frame rate time-lapse to protect your car while you're gone. It's also got built-in GPS, so you can receive speed, location, time, and date data directly on your footage. Now let's go over the rear camera. This is a Full HD rear camera with a 2-megapixel Sony IMX307 CMOS sensor. HDR is currently enabled. The camera itself looks like a backup camera because it can be used as such. It's IP67 rated for waterproofness and can be installed on the exterior. One very cool feature of the Vantrue Mirror Cam 3 is that the hardwiring kit offers an extra cable that can be connected to your car's reverse fuse. When you put your car in reverse, you can use the mirror cam as a backup camera. The M3 also offers reverse guidelines for extra parking protection. It also comes with extra brackets in case you want to turn the backup camera into just a rear camera, which is what we've done in the footage. Finally, let's take all three and go over the nighttime footage. We've turned on the night vision and HDR to show you how the videos look like even where luminance varies rapidly. Not too shabby. The M3 takes SD cards up to 512 gigs and can work in temperatures between -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius or -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's it for the Vantrue M3. We'll have more content coming out soon for you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. And if you're interested in making a purchase, be sure to use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube for 5% off. Check you guys later.